you along for as much as I can today on the last day of classes. It's a casual day, and having a statistics class. Fun, 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 especially if you're not into numbers. But yes, I wanted to bring you along today. I hope that I collect enough footage to even upload the video. Trying to make sure a lot of my lint doesn't show up on this sweater. Hope that you are doing good in your neck of the woods and everything is going your way. Trying to make sure that I have everything that I need to get ready to go. Don't know if there will be a lot of talking in this vlog. Just come along with me to see what I can capture. I am in class today from 9 until 5, so no, there's not going to be a lot of talking, but hopefully I'll be able to whip out the camera if I don't feel odd to do so. I would do this from my phone, but I have yet thought of a good way to have it stored on my phone. It just takes up so much storage. So I'm going to bring my camera, and like I said, if it's not too awkward for me to whip it out, I don't want to impede or invade anyone's privacy, I'll do that. Yeah, so let's get ready to go. Transportation for us, and I was going to get on that transportation, but I did not wake up early enough to come by Starbucks, and that's usually my Saturday morning treat, and I'm going to pick up me something and 2 of my classmates just to get our Saturdays off to a great start. So let me order. Hi, I would like to get a venti pink drink.
Unfortunately, I'm not serving any pink drinks. I don't have the ingredients for that drink today.
Okay, I would like a tall white chocolate mocha.
Okay, you want that hot or cold?
Hot.
You took anything else today?
Yes, I would like a dark roast grande with sweet cream.
Okay.
And 2 pumps of vanilla.
All right.
And a croissant, and that'll be all.
A butter croissant, a chocolate croissant.
Oh, butter.
You got anything else today?
One more. I want to do a. Can you do a paradise drink?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to do that venti. Did you all hear? Did you all hear that 3 drinks were $20.36? This is one thing I cannot make a regular thing, spending that much on drinks that can be made at home. But it's a treat. And that's what I consider it. It is definitely a treat. And I'm going to treat my classmates to this drink. I can pull off 2 or 3 times a month. I look good too. Hold on. Good morning, everyone. This is our 3rd day of class for this week, and today is March 11th. We are in Dr. Jefferson's class. Be quiet. You're not in it if you don't want to be. Let me. How you zoom in? Anyway, I got my JSU shirt on. Boom. Got my little glasses, slick back. Don't play with me. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. We got our drinks. We're ready for statistics. What's your drink? What's your drink? I have a venti paradise drink. Period. From Starbucks, because we're Starbucks girls. I have a dark roast with sweet cream and 2 pumps of vanilla.
Something to keep her up all day.
How you stop this thing? We gotta get Alonda.
Oh, Alonda, I'm so sorry. How do you zoom in?
Tall white chocolate mocha.
Say it again, I'm sorry.
Tall white chocolate mocha.
Tall white chocolate mocha.
All right, we good? Are you good?
I'm great.
Are you gonna vlog?
We'll be
the
back.
rest of the day?
We'll be back.
Okay.
Hi family, so my intentions were to continue to vlog while I was away at school, but that didn't happen because I was schooling. And then I left a tad bit earlier to beat some bad weather, and the vlog continues now. So it's the end of the day on Monday, and I am sitting here talking to my girls who I just picked up from school, and I thought, let me just turn on the camera and add more to the vlog before I close it out. All right, get back to work. I have a little bit longer to stay here and work, and then I'll take you home with me, and then I'll close it out there.
Good morning. It is now another day. I was hoping to take you along for my evening here at home after I left work, but my husband and I did a little grocery shopping and literally did nothing. We sat on the couch together because we were tired, and we gave ourselves grace. Today it is another work day. I'm going to get this day started, but I'm not going to string you along any longer. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I apologize for not packing it with content, but it is important to me to send something to you at least once a week. And again, these are my memories, although they're short and pretty uneventful. But another goal is to just present authentic content and not add a whole lot of fluff if it means nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Friend, subscribe. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell. You will be notified of upcoming videos. I'm trying to get these up at least by Monday, no later than Tuesday of each week. And I would love to have you say something to me real sweet and kind in the comment area. All right, until the next video, have a great day.